Welcome to the spoken tutorial on manipulating lists. In this tutorial, we will learn about slicing and striding of lists, sort and reverse lists. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3 and IPython 5.1.0. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to run basic Python commands on the IPython console and use lists. If not, see the relevant Python tutorials on this website. We have already learnt about list and how to access individual elements in the list. Now we will see about slicing of lists. The syntax for slicing is P inside square brackets start :stop. It returns all the elements of P between start and stop values. The element with the stop index value will not be included. Let us start IPython. Open the terminal. Type IPython3 and press enter. From here onwards, remember to press the enter key after typing every command on the terminal. Let us understand the slicing with an example. Type primes is equal to, then type as shown. Now we will try to obtain all the primes between 10 and 20 from the above list of primes. Type primes inside square brackets 4:8. Recall that the start index value is 0. Observe that the first element we want is 11, which has index 4 in the list. So start value is 4. Also, 19 is the last element we require, which has index 7 in the list. The element with the index equal to stop value will not be included. So end value is 8. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Obtain the primes less than 10 from the list primes. Switch back to the terminal for the solution. Type primes inside square brackets 0:4. Observe that in this case our start value is 0. 7 is the last element we require, which has index 3 in the list. So the end value is 4. Next, we will learn to use step value in slicing. Type 0 to 13 in a list and assign it to a variable num as shown. Let us say we want all the odd numbers less than 10 from the list num. We will specify the step value in which the slice must be obtained. Type num inside square brackets 1:10:2. We have to start from element with index 1 up to index 10 in steps of 2. It is called striding of list. Press enter to get the output. We got the odd numbers less than 10. When no step is specified, it is assumed to be 1. Similarly, there are default values for start and stop as well. Type num inside square brackets :10. It gives the first 10 elements of the list. If you don't specify the start value, the first element of the list is taken as starting. Type num inside square brackets 10:. This gives us all the elements from 10th element to the end. If you don't specify the stop value, the elements till the last index of the list will be returned. Start or end value can be negative to indicate that they are counted from the end of the list. Next, let us get all the even numbers in the list num. Observe that all the even numbers are at even index locations. So type num inside square brackets ::2. We got all the even numbers. This is called striding. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Obtain all the multiples of 3 from the list num. Switch back to the terminal for the solution. Type num inside square brackets colon 3. It gives us every third element from the list, that is multiples of 3. Next, let us learn to sort a list. Type A is equal to inside square brackets 5, 1, 6, 7, 7, 10. Sort method is used to sort a list. Type a.sort open and close brackets. Type A to get the output. We can see that the contents of the list A is sorted now. Python provides a built-in function called sorted. Sorted function sorts the list which is passed as an argument to it. It returns a new sorted list. Again, we will assign the same value to A as shown. Type sorted inside brackets A. We can store this sorted list into another list variable SA. Type SA is equal to sorted inside brackets A. To see the sorted list, type SA. Python also provides the reverse method which reverses the list in place. Type OR is equal to inside square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OR.reverse open and close brackets. To see the list OR, type OR. We got the reverse of the list. The original list OR is changed now. To reverse a list, we can also use striding with negative values. Again, we will assign the same value to OR as shown. Type OR inside square brackets colon 1. We can also store this new reversed list in another variable. Type ORA is equal to OR inside square brackets colon 1. To see the reversed list, type RA. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Given below is the list of marks of a student in an examination. Obtain a list with the marks in descending order. Switch back to the terminal for the solution. Type the list of marks as shown. To get the marks in descending order, type sorted inside brackets marks inside square brackets colon 1. We can also get the same output by typing sorted inside brackets marks, reverse equal to true. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned to obtain the parts of lists using slicing and striding, sort lists using the sort method, use the method reverse to reverse the list. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First, given the list primes, how do you obtain the last 4 prime numbers? Second, given a list P of unknown length, obtain the first 3 characters of it. And the answers? First, the last 4 primes can be obtained from the given list as primes inside square brackets -4 colon. Second, the first 3 characters can be obtained as P inside square brackets colon 3. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD, Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Priya from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.